Wow, okay, I understand. Do you have a WhatsApp?
Huh?
You said you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have Cash App.
No, I mean WhatsApp, WhatsApp,
Cash App?
WhatsApp. As in, we can chat.
Cash App. Yeah, I have Cash App.
Hold on, I don't mean Cash App. I mean WhatsApp number. Can I have your number or no?
Cash App? Yeah, you can get my number through Cash App.
You don't get what I mean.
No, I'm not understanding.
Can I have your number so I can test you?
Why are you doing your hands like this as if I'm retarded?
No, just nothing,
Ca-
nothing, nothing.
Cash App? Or you mean like Zelle? Yeah, I take Zelle too.
You understand?
Maybe I'm not understanding. What part of
En pile fois, nous comptons